Hi, this is Mayank and I'm an interior designer with an experience of 10 years. We have projects in Hyderabad and Bangalore. We work with Slido for the last 7 years. We've actually enjoyed working with them. Working with the Slido, what we've realized is that we've been able to deliver exactly what I have promised. And that is what I love about working with Slido. Their sales team also helps them with, explaining them the materials. And the service team has been great to actually solve the issues in 48 hours. So we've been working with them for 7 years. It's been a great association. We wish Slido the best. And we love working with Slido for their professionalism and for their unmatched support that we've always got. I'm sitting into their experience center, and what Slido has been able to do is beautifully come up with design collection. Customer has made the call of actually which material, what finish customer looking for his dream interiors. Working with Slido for 7 years, the experience has been great. Would like to recommend it to everyone. All the best in all the projects that they do, and will always support them.